This three little upgrade I will install in my bike. Let's go start it from change gas tank cap. Looks like easy. Just change the view of the bike. Looks nice. It looks different. It's cool. I like it. Next we install the 7-inch Daymaker Adaptive LED Headlamp. So let's get started. To make it easy, I'll remove the fairing and install it in the garage directly to the fairing. I think this will be easy for me. This is the existing lamp. That's it. New headlamp installed. Let's put it together and final test. This house looks like now. New headlamp, 7-inch Daymaker, Harley-Davidson. It looks awesome, man. It's cool. And adjustable air deflector on the front, because I have an issue. It's crazy buffering. I installed the wind splitter, but it's not helped me too much, so I try another way, install air deflector. We'll see if it's helped. This is the new view of my motorcycle. Gas tank, cap, new headlamp, and adjustable air deflector.